Hello kids and welcome to Pen Academy. So today we will watch a video about Eid-ul-Fitr. Do you like Eid? So do I. Okay, let's go. Eid-ul-Fitr is a day of great celebration. It comes in the end of Ramadan. Everyone wears new clothes on this day. Children get Eid from their elders. People offer Eid prayer in the masajid. They greet, embrace, and wish Eid to each other. Everyone enjoys and rejoices this blessed day of Eid. Do you also like Eid? Okay. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.